Welcome to your little piece of paradise at 27 Crystal Lake Drive in Sudbury, Massachusetts. Sited on 1.33 acres with 340 feet of lakefront, this peaceful and private lakefront setting offers beauty in all seasons. A certified wildlife habitat, you can enjoy the ever-changing views and comings and goings of osprey, great blue herons, an occasional bald eagle, frogs, turtles, and more. The Assabet River National Wildlife Refuge abuts with 3.5 square miles of preserve at your beckon. Enjoy your own private deck for rowing, canoeing, or kayaking, or just have a go at fishing right from the dock. Enjoy your morning tea from the deck overlooking Crystal Lake, or enjoy a cool evening lakeside by your fire pit. Winter brings ice skating on the lake. With a 36-panel solar array, you'll rarely pay for electricity. Inside, the large windows bring the outside in with beautiful views of the lake from all rooms. Highlights include 2 master suites with full bathrooms and radiant heat in the floors, air conditioning throughout, a large office with expansive views of the lake, plenty of storage closets, a workroom with storage, and 2 levels of decks. Great for entertaining, the open concept space features a wet bar, and the main living space opens to the deck for entertaining during the warmer months. commune with nature here at 27 Crystal Lake Drive in Sudbury, Massachusetts.